Okay, next we need to choose a plant to cut, and the possibilities are really endless. What I'm looking for when I'm taking a cutting is pretty much a nice juicy tip, something that has it's a little bit fat and has a nice stem. It's not too stretched out. See, all these plants are good examples of some things that I might want to cut. What plants wouldn't make a very good cutting are ones that are going into flower, like this mint. Mint root's really easy, but this, it's busy. It's thinking about other things. So I wouldn't cut that one. This is another example of what wouldn't make a good. The colors are off. It's yellow. It's they're all stretched out. I really wouldn't want to cut this plant because it really wouldn't root well for me. So nice, happy. Not happy. Another example of something is I want a stem that has a tip to it, where you can see the spider. It's just leaves. So we're going to have to find another way to cut this plant and propagate it. But a leaf like this, it's not going to root. It's not going to grow. So